Not a beautician. I'm just telling you what I do for my hair, okay? So I am all done using Donna's recipe. Well, my take on that is today is the day we're going to find out what Donna's recipe is going to do for me. I am all done using Donna's recipe. First, you all saw me starting off with the moisturizing shampoo, moving on to the moisturizing conditioner. I actually sat with my steam cap for 30 minutes with the moisturizing conditioner in my hair. From there, I moved on, and as I was twisting it, I used the leave-in creamy conditioner, and I used the creamy hair cream and the creamy hair and scalp oil. I did the LCO, which is leave-in cream and oil, because I personally like oil on my hair last. So that's the method I used. What do I think about it? Well, first of all, the smell is amazing. It did make my hair more manageable as I used it throughout the entire process. Now, I've heard a lot of people say they used a lot. I wish you guys could see inside of these, but trust me, I only used about that much of these bottles, okay? Not much at all for my shampoo, my conditioner, and my leave-in conditioner. As far as the scalp and oil is concerned, which was the last thing I put on, if you can see in there, I didn't use very much. That's the amount that I used. So I've watched a lot of videos, and I heard a lot of people say that they used it and it took a lot of product, especially for the price. Well, my take on that is, and this is how much of the cream I used. Not much at all. Not much at all. If you're using a lot of product, you're probably using too much. If you felt you needed a lot of product, especially when it came to the shampoo and the conditioner, your hair probably was not wet enough in the very beginning. I have low porosity low porosity. As I mentioned in the first video, it is not 4C, it is 4DD, okay? Very, very low. And yes, I've tested it, okay? Low porosity hair. The water will sit there, which means when I go to wet my hair before I can shampoo or anything else, I need to saturate it. It needs to just sit in water until eventually it starts to take in some of that water before I can put product on my hair to shampoo. Otherwise, I won't get any suds or anything like that. It'll just be there, okay? So try making sure that your hair is saturated first with water, because water is our first line of defense when it comes to moisture. Now, I don't know that I'm going to twist it out because personally, I like my twist, okay? Donna, I like my twist, okay? Tab, I like my twist, okay? I like my twist, but I do like the product. I will continue to use the product. And I typically don't use shampoo on my hair. I think I mentioned that earlier. I wash my hair with conditioner. I do not wash my hair with shampoo. Another thing, don't wash your hair all over at once. Section your hair off and wash it in sections. Do not wash undetangled hair. Okay? This is why it takes so long and it's a trouble and it's hard and it doesn't work. Make sure your hair is detangled first with saturated water. You shouldn't need anything but water to detangle your hair. Finger detangle it first and then go behind that with a comb. Now, I am not a beautician. I'm just telling you what I do for my hair, okay? And I don't have that much trouble. When my hair shrinks up with nothing in it whatsoever, it is literally about 1 inch to 1.5 inches long. That's it. That's how much it shrinks up. So that's how much I have to detangle before I start using product, okay? But the only other thing I can say about this is that I wish on the bottle or somewhere it says that it is also good for low porosity hair, because if this had not been gifted to me by my daughter Ashley of Ashley's Living, y'all check her out, okay? Ashley's Living. I'll leave her link down below and in the pinned comment. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. If she had not gifted this to me, I probably would not have purchased it. So I would not have bought this product, but it is very, very good for low porosity. But Tab, that's your business, okay? At any rate, I love the product. I love the smell. Great product, Tab. Oh, and Tab, you have an amazing day. But if you can't have an amazing day, don't you go messing up nobody else's. Love you.